Atoms are the building blocks of matter, and understanding their structure is crucial to comprehending the world around us. The discovery and understanding of the atom's structure have revolutionized our comprehension of matter. Throughout history, scientists have explored and refined the atomic model, enabling us to grasp how the atom's fundamental components influence chemical behavior and the properties of the surrounding matter. The journey of understanding atomic models has evolved over centuries, from the first atomic theory in 1803 to the current quantum atomic model in 1926. Each milestone has brought us closer to understanding what matter is made of. The role of atomic structure in chemical reactions and energy technologies drives innovation across various scientific disciplines. Understanding atomic structure unlocks perspectives on matter's properties, propelling scientific advancements. An atom is the fundamental unit of matter, consisting of a central nucleus with protons and neutrons, surrounded by a cloud of electrons. The interaction between these particles determines the properties and behavior of chemical elements. Atoms are composed of an electron cloud, atomic orbitals, and electrons. These components define the regions where electrons orbit and interact within an atom. The atomic nucleus is the positively charged center of the atom, containing protons and neutrons. Neutrons are neutral particles, while protons carry a positive charge, both crucial to the atom's stability. The proton-electron mass ratio indicates that protons and neutrons are much more massive than electrons, impacting atomic mass and chemical properties. This relationship influences reactivity and chemical bonding. Electron configuration refers to the arrangement of electrons around the nucleus. It dictates how an atom interacts with others, influencing its ability to form chemical bonds and engage in reactions. Electronic configuration involves the distribution of electrons across different energy levels and sublevels, crucial for explaining the properties and behaviors of elements in the periodic table. The structure of the atom, understood through its components and their relationships, along with electronic configuration, forms the foundation of our understanding of chemistry. This knowledge has enabled us to unravel the secrets of matter and create technologies that enhance our lives.